god, this is so bright. Perfect. Hey, what's up you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and I'm back with a new video. Well, it's been quite a long time since I have uploaded a video. It's been 4 months and I guess I always say this thing, I am taking a lot of intervals between every video. So here I am back with a new video. 2017 is over. It went pretty fast, like it was like a blur out thing for me. And yeah, I'm happy that 2017 is over. Like it was a rough year for me. There were many things which I've learned in 2017. I want to improve myself in the coming year. We all have this fresh new thing with us. I know what I want to do this year. Last year I had no idea I want to do this or that, but this year I know what I want to do, so I'm gonna start working on those things. The main question today will be, what's my New Year's resolution? Well, it's basically nothing, but I do want to travel more. I want to make more content, and I guess this is the same thing which I had said last year, but yeah, I want to make new things for you guys, for everyone else, which I love doing. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks to all those 566 subscribers who have subscribed me. And yeah, do check my Instagram handle. I'm back on Snapchat and everything. I'm active on all the social sites, so do drop a like if you like this video. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Well, this is gonna be a one-take video, so I'm gonna say things. This is gonna be a one-take video, so this is gonna be a one-take video, so I won't. This is gonna be a one-take video, so I won't edit much of it. I'm just gonna